What's up, guys? Ayato 666 here. Uh, I'm trying to think the best way to do this. I'm not going to be able to not cuss. I'm going to face that now. This is not going to be monetizable, and I don't care. I had a pretty crappy day. I'm trying to think of how all to explain it. Alright, I went to CVS, and I had an order of picking up about 33 items. I'm like, what? $150. So I go out, try to do it, get to the checkout, won't work. Card won't work. Tried everything. Contacted customer service twice. Actually, 3 times. Actually, way more than that. Instead of doing their fucking job, the lazy pieces of shit tell me to just unassign it and take the hit. That's not what you're for. That is the opposite of customer service. How the fuck can that be right? How? I literally want someone to explain it to me, because seriously, we are talking customer got fucked, driver didn't get paid, merchant got fucked. Who won in that except for the customer service reps that didn't have to do any paperwork? How is that right? So that fucking pissed me the fuck off. So I kept fighting, and if you want to know how that worked out, I basically kept complaining, contacted them again, threatened them. I said, I want this escalated. If you don't escalate it, I'm going to. And then I explained to them that one of the beautiful perks of being a top dasher is you can share feedback. Yeah, I shared that feedback, because every time I do, someone gets it, and usually they address the issue. Usually works. It's just like any corporation, dude. You feed up through the chain of bullshit on lazy pieces of shit. Just like any fucking company I've ever worked at. I hate it, but it's something you know when you've done years and years of working with lazy pieces of shit. So long story short, I did that fight for everyone but me. I'm literally... Actually, if this keeps going, I'm fucking getting insanely blown up for some reason on audiobooks. I may be quitting DoorDashing soon and focusing full-time on books again. I don't know what's going on. People are coming back out of the woodworks that I didn't even know had books coming. It's getting insane. It's awesome. I'm excited, but holy crap. I'll have to work day and night. I'll do it. I will do it. Man, I literally put that fight up today hoping other people don't get screwed over, because literally, that's entrapment. What if that was just enough to get me deactivated? And I literally was trying to do my job. And if you want to know their other answer, it was, go ahead and take $150 out of your account. I'm not doing that. We'll reimburse you. Fuck you. I'm not doing that. This card system is stupid. It's your idea. You're paying for it. I'm not fucking paying for it. Stupid assholes. I don't know what the fuck that was. I've heard this happen to one person before, but this one's ridiculous. What I think it is the system is flawed. And not in the way that you're like, oh, you're attacking DoorDash or something. No. Back, I'm trying to think when the hell I discovered this. I can't even remember the limit anymore. But years ago, I started, because of the hackers and stuff, I started purchasing PlayStation credit cards. PlayStation Store credit. And I found out there's a limit of like $200. If you have more than $200, it won't let you enter the codes. I think there's something similar with the card for DoorDash. I don't think they ever really thought anyone would ever do that much. But there's always the people that like don't apply to the system. But that's what I think happened. So I think if you go over a certain amount, you're not going to be able to check out. And you're going to have problems. I don't know. Other people can let me know if they want. I just want to tell you my story because I think it's fucked up. I don't know. I want to be like one of those people who's like, oh man, fuck CVS store shops and I'm not doing it anymore. But literally, I have 2,011 deliveries. This has happened one time. Are you going to let one time out of 2,011 stop you from making money? I'm going to say no, and I'm going to keep doing it. And when it happens again, I'll escalate it again, because that's all you can do. I'm telling you, man, escalating does stuff in companies. I don't know why it's like this, but it's always been the way things work. I don't know why. But I hope you guys are planning, prepping, and having backups. I'm trying to look into other companies. It's just, I don't know, DoorDash is almost a perfect storm. It's so slammed. When the hell can I look at other apps? It's like, you guys keep telling us, and you're like wondering why like DoorDash Dad and other people don't do more. It's because, honestly, this app is so poppin'. It's fucking stupid. It's stupid to leave it. But yeah, I'm starting to agree with you. I just gotta look around. There's all kinds of stuff I'm checking out. Mainly the book stuff right now. I just can't believe it's getting this crazy. And I'm supposed to be doing a gigantic book for someone, and other books are closing in. It's like, holy crap. If this happens and I get hit the way I think I may not be dashing at all this week. They also changed the system. So now you can tap on your customer rating. It has a star now. If it has a star, yours updated. But it'll have a star. You tap on it, and it will show you everything. From how many 5-star ratings you had, to why they liked it, to... I'd like to know what they do. They said I had 13 unfair reviews. I kind of would like to read them. But I kind of figured they're things I literally couldn't control, like food is cold. And I know you're like, you can control that. No, you can't. Sometimes people toss the shit around in the system so long you can't control it. I can literally only do what I've been given. I have professional catering bags in my car. If you give me hot food, the customer's getting hot food. And that's kind of what the merchants have learned here. So I'm pretty lucky in that respect, plus the merchants like me. Man, I can tell you, I've met a lot of store owners, and I'm waiting for the pandemic to fucking calm way down. I'm gonna talk to them about, hey, I'm a voice actor. Hey. And see if I can get work. I'm gonna see if I can double benefit off DoorDash. I mean, all these people take for granted, but I mean, you can do some cool stuff with this job. You can do all kinds of stuff while you're doing the job. I mean, it's really cool job. I really love the freedom. We're gonna find out the biggest negative, and I'll definitely tell you guys about the negative. It's gonna be the taxes. I'm trying to save up. I'm freaking out. And credit cards are calling me because I stopped paying them months ago because I couldn't. I don't know what's going on. I've been talking to my dad. I don't know what's going up, but I guess like everything is going up just a little bit because I'm making more than I used to make, but I can't keep up. What's going on? How are you helping the people, guys? Like, I really want to know. Gas prices are fucking insanely high. Yeah, you're really helping the people. I don't know what's going on, but I'm doing the best I can just like everyone else. I do hope this advice helps someone. I'm telling you, man, like, the multiple going back to customer service has saved me so many times. At least the last person, I don't know how they did it. I don't know if I'm talking to higher ups when I say certain things. I think there's like trigger words almost. Because I've noticed certain people are so high up, they don't even have to like send you an email saying we did this, and then like if they screw up, you can check on. You know what I mean? There might be an HR person that took my last complaint. Because I think when you go through multiple times, I think it escalates it slowly in the system. And that's why I do it. It has to be something like that because I don't know what's with these customer service idiots, man. They really need to hear about them. I'm watching Tanner complain about them. I'm watching Carmise complain about them. I'm kind of like, I don't know what's up with her. She's a nice girl. She's very impatient, and I don't understand that. It's like one order, I swear to God, she unassigned it. I'm like, dude, I bet that order had just finished. You just screwed the customer, yourself, and the merchant. Try to think outside your skin. I know it sucks, but I mean, what's the worst? What's the worst thing that happens? You have to work another 15 minutes? You have to do one more run to make up? Come on, guys. Damn. They're not screwing you over that bad. You're screwing the customer. That's just stupid. But, I know, everyone's different. She has every right to do it. I mean, the system allows it. To be fair, you know how annoying it was, dude, to like unassign. As I was texting that customer, I'm like, I got everything, and I even found this, and the store associate was helping me. She was so nice. And then to just like unassign, I'm just like, oh, it's so fucked up. Plus, I bet she would have tipped $150. I'm sure she was gonna tip. It said a $10.50 base pay, which I know none of you would have taken, but I was curious. I was like, will they tip? I wanted to see how it worked, because I've never seen anyone order that much stuff from CVS. And I'll tell you what, never will again. Because who's going to do that? Now she's going to literally go to Instacart, so good job there, DoorDash. Idiots. I wish there was a way to add them. They need to know about this stuff. This isn't stupid kid complaints. This is tons of people across the country complaining about these goddamn customer service representatives. And on top of that, my dad can vouch for how fucking bad they are for him as a customer. I can guarantee you McDonald's on the phone. I know she'd do that for me. I'm trying to think who else had a terrible. Applebee's would do it for me. China King, I don't think she would. I think I could get Wendy's to do it. I could get people in on this, but I need more than just me. They need to fucking wake up. They need to audit these people, find out who's doing their job, keep them. There's some awesome service people, love them. But there's some absolute garbage ones that literally do everything they can to not work. You need to fucking fire them. But that's the end of my rant. I wanted to make kind of a longer one. I was literally trying to make a dash today, but I don't really know how to do it. I just don't... Okay, let's be honest. I know how to do it. My fucking computer's on the other side of the yard, okay? I'm lazy. The only computer that I can edit with that has my editing software for for video is on the other side of the yard. So, is it lazy? I don't know. I worked all day. I got another job I got to work with. I was going to stream. I don't think it's lazy. It's just, I'm tired, man. I'm a 37-year-old man. I don't have that energy to just boundlessly go for hours, but I do try. And I hope you guys know it's because of you. Because you're watching, you're supportive. I'm going to keep trying. I'm going to keep doing the best I can for you, and hopefully it helps you. I'm trying to stick to, last bit I'm going to say, and then I'm out. I'm trying to stick to the $1 a mile thing, but I'm going to be honest with you, the past 2 days, I've not been doing it. Because there's just been orders where I'm like, they're trying to compensate, so I'm going to go. Because usually they even out. So it's like, I'll give an example. I'll see like $11 for 8 miles, and I'm like, well, I'm taking it. and then I went there and it was 15, so it actually paid for the trip back too. But you can never know these things. I just like trying. And I love taking food that far, getting to the customer, and because I have catering stuff, the food's hot, and they're like, they don't know what to do. I love it. I love that look. I love the appreciation of those people, too. It's one of the few times the job is very fucking fun to do. But you can only do it if you have catering stuff. Which, really, there's no reason you shouldn't, dude. That bag is $29. Kibaga. Kibaga. Fucking phenomenal bag. Only thing I don't like is the zipper gets stuck a lot. I'm hoping it'll break in and get better. But other than that, that bag is flawless. And the customer's just like, they love it, dude. I remember the first time I used it. I used it for pizza. She pulled the pizza out, and it wasn't even winter, and I could still see it steam, and I was like, that's good money. That's money well spent right there. Plus, you can put in for, I don't know how DoorDash did it for you guys all over the country, but here they asked, if you have catering bags, take a picture and send it, and I did, and they confirmed that I'm in, so I can get catering orders whenever that happens. That'll be cool, but that'll also be crazy. I guess it could be anything here. Weddings, all kinds of stuff. There's a lot of weddings that happen around here. I don't know. Well, I just wanted to rant. Has been a long time since I've had a real rant with you guys. Now that I have more memory, expect more of these. If you like them, we'll keep doing them. I told you, stove is right there. I'm thinking of doing some cooking stuff. We're just going to have fun. No one really backed the channel idea, the new channel, so I'm just going to take it. Who cares? We've got one here. And I'm not chasing fame. You guys want to help me, you know what to do. You know to tell your friends, you know to like, you know to sub, you know to share. You know all of that. I just want to keep trying to make daily advice so you stop supporting those idiots out there that are ripping you off. The ones who are like, oh, go to my course and I'll teach you everything. I'll teach you everything for free. Just sub, share, and help me out in the small ways you can. How's that? I don't understand. The whole point of making a channel is to help people. Oh, I guess there are other reasons, but the best reason to make a channel is to help people because greed is not going to work. That's just stupid. People are going to sense it and tell you to go fuck yourself. And I just don't want to do that. I'm just not that person. I literally have unsubbed from so many people because of their fucking greed. Fucking assholes. Makes me so mad that they make it. I'm not jealous of them. Not at all. I got a voice acting career. I'm fucking proud of it, dude. And I don't think I'd have done any of it without you guys supporting me. Just kind words, being there. I literally look at my demographics and all the time. All over the world. All these places I fantasize about. You fucking amazing people are watching. And it just makes me want to go all over the world and just meet people and say thank you. I love it, dude. I love that we got to connect all over the world to parts of the world that most people don't know how to deal with, because in Asia, is it etiquette? Yeah, I guess it would be etiquette. But thank you being proper, it's very important. And most people don't even try to appreciate the countries that are watching them. I try, man. I appreciate it. As I know this isn't common viewing place over there. So I thank everyone that's watching, no matter where you are. I just love knowing that we have a diverse group of people and they don't attack each other. That's fucking awesome. You guys stay safe. Now let me know if you like these vlogs. We're gonna try longer when I have a rant. But today I was fired the fuck up. Peace out, guys.